Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix the file has been downloaded incorrectly. This is the basic error. Step by step. Follow the steps. First step. Go to the click to any browser you typing for. You see the error the MinGW Win64. You will search this command. Click to download. Click to enter. You will see the first option. Click to open. You will scroll down for you see the files. You will click to scroll down for you see the first images for I688.1.0. You will see the first for main for 8.1.0. You click to the last line. You self to download. Okay, I am already downloaded. After you will go to the next for click to the WinRAR. You click to 64-bit download. You click to the latest version. You will scroll down for you see the 3240 Windows level for click to download, but my Windows for 64-bit. Click to download, but I am already downloaded. After next step, go to the WinRAR, click to install. Okay, after you will go to the file explorer. You will see the downloads. You click to the download file. You right click to WinRAR. Okay, export files. Okay, click to export. I am already exported. Okay, I am click to open. You see the first option. You will right click to. You see the copy. After you will go to the this PC. Click to open. You click to the Windows C. Click to open. You right click to right click to paste. But it is not showing. Okay, but I am already is pasted. Okay, you click to open. You will see the first option. Click to the bin. You see the copy the link. Okay, Control plus C. After you will go to the next step. You search the edit edit the system environment variables. Click to open. You see the this folder. You see the advanced. You click to the environment variables. You see the this command. You click to the edit. You click to the new. You will see the control plus V. This is the paste. Okay. After you click to the OK, but it is not. My Windows is no problem. I will click to the clone cancel. You click to OK. Okay. After next step, go to the search bar. Search the CMD. You click to the run as administrator. Click to yes. You typing for CGG space double dot version. Click to enter. Okay. After you will go to the next step, click to the Windows icon. You click to the restart your PC. Problem solved. Thank you for watching.